Sending orders. In Positouch, there are several ways to send orders. You can ring items and use the Send Order button to send the items immediately to the kitchen or bar. Using this option sends any unsent items immediately and then logs you off POS. Send order, and you're logged off. Using the Send and Stay button allows you to enter your order, send it, but stay in the check to continue adding items to the check. Send and Stay is useful when you've taken the drink order and food order at the same time, for example. You can enter the drink order, use Send and Stay. The order is then sent to the bar and you continue ringing your food order. This way, the bartender can start preparing your order right away and you can pick up the drinks after you've entered the food portion of your order. You also have the option to ring in your order and not send the items until later. For example, your guest gives you their order for appetizers and entrees at the same time. To save time, enter the appetizers first and then use Send and Stay option we talked about earlier. Send and Stay. Notice the items have turned aqua, that means they have been sent to the printer. Now we'll ring in the entrees, but instead of sending them, we'll touch Review and then Quit. Go to the Steak and Combo screen, select an entree, select a second entree, so to exit the check without sending this order yet, we're going to touch Review and then touch Quit. You'll see an error message that says this order has unsent items. Are you sure you want to quit? Go ahead and say yes. Now when we log in again and go to that check, notice the items still appear in white, which means that they have not been sent. The important thing is to not forget to send the items at the appropriate time. If you're now ready to go ahead and send these entrees, just touch Send Order. We'll go back to that check and now you can see that the top sirloin and filet have both been sent to the kitchen. Another way to use the feature of not sending all the items you've rung in is to use the Select function on the review screen. For example, the table gives you the order for their appetizers, soups and salads, and entrees. We'll ring the appetizers using the Send and Stay function. And now we'll also ring their soups and salads and entrees. So now we have all of their soups, salads, and entrees rung in, but they're not quite ready to be ordered. Go to Review Order and touch Quit. The order has unsent items. Just a reminder to make sure that this is what you want to do. We'll say yes. Now it's time to send just the soups and salads to the kitchen. They've finished their appetizer, they're ready for the soups and salads. Go back to the table. Reopen. Go to the Review Order screen and notice there is a Select button here on the right. Remember, when you're in the review screen, an S next to the item means that item has already been sent. To select just the soups and salads to be sent, highlight the item and touch Select. Notice there's now an asterisk next to that item. That indicates it is selected. We'll also choose crab bisque, the soup, and the wedge salad. These 4 items are highlighted, and if we now touch Send Order, these will go ahead and go to the kitchen while the entrees will still remain unordered. Let's reopen our check and confirm that those items went to the kitchen. There we are. That's the right check. Hit Reopen. And if we can scroll up, you can now see that all the appetizers and the soups and salads are aqua. The entrees are still in white, indicating they haven't been sent yet. If we go to the Review Order screen, again you'll notice S's next to the items that have been sent. So if you're now ready to go ahead and send the entrees to the kitchen, you can just hit Send Order. There's no need to select them first. It will automatically send anything that is still pending. But if you did want to send just one item, remember you highlight it, touch Select. If you highlight something in error, just leave it highlighted, hit Select again, and notice the asterisk disappears. So this item is no longer selected. We're ready to send all 4 entrees, so we're just going to hit Send Order, and they're sent. Let's confirm that order's all in the kitchen at this point. And you can see now that the entrees are ordered. Everything on this check has been sent.